200 miles per hour. Interior. A high-tech, minimalist cockpit with luxurious finishes and a driver-focused layout. The Lotus Evija is a true hypercar with a focus on lightweight design and extreme performance. With nearly 2,000 horsepower, this car is designed for those who want the ultimate driving experience and a green footprint, offering both speed and eco-consciousness. Battery range and charging speed. By 2025, expect to see electric sports cars with ranges of over 300 miles per charge, as well as faster charging technologies that allow for quick recharges during long drives. Sustainability. Luxury automakers are focusing on using sustainable materials such as recycled fabrics, vegan leather, and eco-friendly manufacturing processes to make their sports cars more environmentally responsible. Performance. As electric sports cars evolve, their acceleration, top speed, and driving dynamics will continue to improve, making them just as thrilling as their gas-powered counterparts, if not more. AI and autonomous driving. By 2025, expect to see more advanced driver assistance systems, with some electric sports cars offering semi-autonomous or fully autonomous driving modes that allow the vehicle to handle certain driving tasks. Title: As the world shifts towards sustainability, are at the forefront of the automotive revolution. By 2025, these vehicles will offer a blend of, and setting new standards in the automotive industry. With advanced electric powertrains, cutting-edge technology, and the comfort and space of traditional luxury SUVs, these electric models are designed for who demand the best in both performance and sustainability.